Welcome to my channel Crochet Skills. In today's video I will show you how to crochet this beautiful basket. I will show you all the steps, so let's start. Okay, so we will start working with the slip knot, chain 2, go into this second single crochet from the hook. We will work 6 single crochets, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go into this first stitch and work a slip stitch. Make a chain 1, begin the next round and work 2 single crochets each stitch. 2, 3, 4. I'll just finish the round by making 12 single crochets and make a slip stitch here. Okay, so 2 rounds are completed. Make chain 1, go into this first single crochet, work 2 single crochets. Into this next stitch, work 1 single crochet. So 2 single crochets in the same stitch, then work 1 single crochet into the next. I'll just finish the round and make a slip stitch here. Okay, so 3 rounds are completed. Chain 1, go into this first stitch. Again work 2 single crochets in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 2 single crochets in a stitch, 1 single crochet in the next, 1 single crochet in the next. So this is how I'll just finish the round and make a slip stitch here. Okay, so all the 4 rounds are completed. Work chain 1, go into this first stitch, work 2 single crochets. In the next stitch work 1 single crochet. In the next stitch work 1 single crochet. In the next stitch again 1 single crochet. So we have 5 set of 5 here. Again repeat the same thing. 2 single crochets in a stitch, 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. So I'll just finish the round and make a slip stitch here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The 6th round begin with 2 single crochets, then 1 single crochet, in this stitch, 1 in the next, and 1 in the next, 1 in the next stitch. Then work 2 single crochets in the same stitch, 1 single crochet in each of the next 4 stitches. So I'll just finish the round and make a slip stitch here. Okay, so 6 rounds are completed and this is the base of my basket. Now I'll make chain 1, go on into this back loop of the first stitch, which is here, and work a single crochet. This is called a back loop single crochet. So we will make 1 single crochet, 1 back loop single crochet into each stitch, and then I will show you how to proceed it further. So work 1 back loop single crochet into every stitch. As you can see, it's moving upwards. So this is how we will just work more rounds. Okay, so the round is completed. Last single crochet, slip stitch, chain 1, normal single crochet, 1 into each. We will work the same way all around until I just got my basket's height. I'll work in rounds and rounds for basket's height. Okay, so 3 rounds are completed. Now I'll make 3 double crochets, chain 1, skip the next stitch, in the next work double crochet, chain 1, skip the next stitch, then work double crochet, then chain 1, skip the next, work a double crochet, chain 1, skip the next stitch, work a double crochet. So this is how it will give a nice uh, design to it. And then I will make 2 to 3 more rows of these single crochets, and then we will make the edging. Okay, so it's completed. As you can see, 3 uh, rows of single crochet, then I added this design, and then 2 rows. So I hope this height is enough for me. Now I will make the edging of the basket. For edging, okay, so now we are working it in this way. Now I will make chain 1 and turn from inside out, go into this first single crochet, go into this back loop, work a single crochet, skip 1 stitch, go in the back loop of the next stitch, work a half double crochet, then work a double crochet, work another double crochet, chain 3, slip stitch on the top of double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, all in this same stitch, skip 1 stitch, go into the back loop of the next stitch, work a single crochet, skip the next stitch, go into the back loop of the next stitch, half double crochet, double crochet, double crochet with chain 3 picot, double crochet, half double crochet into the same stitch, skip the next stitch, back loop single crochet. So this is how we will make this edging of the basket. I'll just finish all this and make a slip stitch into this first single crochet. It should be like this. So my basket is completed. The edging is also done. So this is how it looks. I hope you have liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share my video. For any query, ask me in comment section. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.